Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong maganda kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 25 paisa coins of Pakistan na mayroong taon na 1971. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Pakistan. Tapusin natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Pakistan. The 1971 25 paisa coins of Pakistan is a notable piece of Pakistan's numismatic history. Here's a detail look at its background, design, and current value. Historical background. The 1971 25 paisa coin was part of Pakistan's decimal currency system. Introduced in 1961, the 1971 issue is significant as it marks the year when East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, separated from the Pakistan after the Bangladesh Liberation War. The coin was minted by the Pakistan Mint and was in circulation until the early 2000s when the paisa coins were phased out due to inflation. Coin specification: composition copper nickel, weight 2.5 grams, diameter of 19 mm, shape round or circular. The obverse features a crescent moon and a 5-pointed star, a common design in Pakistan's coins, along with the Islamic inscription. Islami Jamhuriyah Pakistan, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and the year of 1971. Reverse design shows the denomination 25 paisa in Urdu with a floral design. Current value or market price in 2024, the value of the 1971 25 paisa coin depends on its condition. Circulated conditions around 50 to 200 Pakistani rupees. Uncirculated or mint conditions 300 to 800 Pakistani rupees. Higher for rare pieces with errors. Proof or special vintage or minting can go up to 1,500 Pakistani rupees. Collectors seek this coin due to its historical significance, particularly from the year of Bangladesh independence. However, its value is not very high due to the availability of surviving pieces. So yun guys, ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya guys ng Pakistan. So very nice nating mga coins guys. Talaga napakaganda yung kanyang skin. Hindi walang ganong damage. So ganitong mga uri ng coins guys ang pwede nating ingatan at ilagay natin sa ating mga coin capsule para hindi magasgasan guys. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.